Today I'm gonna give you guys 3 reasons why you're not being successful with dropshipping, especially if you're a beginner, because I really believe that some of you guys might find yourself being guilty of this. And we all want to be like the world's best dropshipper back here, guys. Make sure, if you want to be like this guy, is already pointing his thumbs up, so smash the like button and make sure you subscribe. Last video's free 30-minute consulting call giveaway winner is Spillera, and you can message me. My Instagram will be here. And if you guys want to win the free 30-minute consulting call giveaway of the next video, make sure to hit the subscribe button. So guys, what are really the 3 reasons you're either suck at dropshipping or your store's never working out? Because I found myself guilty of some of these, but I got a lot of DMs of people actually asking me questions about the 3 things I'm gonna go over right now, guys. That's really bad. The first one is the startup. I just call it the startup, but I'm gonna explain more about what I actually mean. Because the startup, this might sound really weird, but the startup is when you're a dropshipper or a dropshipper that plans everything, even before getting started. Maybe you're actually spending 2 months just thinking about your great idea. And guys, in most cases, your great idea sucks. If you just type in why on Google, it will probably be in suggestions why your great idea sucks. But people that's, planning their stores, they're taking notes. Of course, guys, you got to do some planning. That's totally needed. You got to, make sure you know what you're doing. You got to plan stuff out. It's totally cool. Who doesn't plan stuff? But when your planning gets to a certain level where it's not even dropshipping anymore, it's becoming a startup. You're actually starting up a real company. I don't say dropshipping isn't a real company, but I think you guys are a little bit smart, so you know what I mean when I say that. So you guys are actually starting a real company, not just dropshipping. And what I mean by that is that you're planning something like, yeah, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do that, I'm gonna get a ton of followers on Instagram, grow my store organically, and then I'm gonna donate 10% of all my money into charity. And whenever people come to my store, they will see that the product costs $49, $5 goes to charity, and you play on emotions. You're being like, come on, be a nice guy, $5 of these dollars goes to charity. You have everything planned out. You're trying to, talk to the big people out there, trying to get yourself connections. You're trying to network with other people to know how to build up everything from scratch. But guys, this is a 9 to 10 figure business model. I could do that, but that doesn't mean you guys can't really do it yet. Maybe you could do that thing later on. It's awesome. Oh, look what I'm getting here. This doesn't look good. Anyways, you guys could do that. Like, it's not that hard, but when you're starting out, you might as well just stick to the traditional dropshipping. Don't overcomplicate it. Don't think you're gonna get in touch with big brands. Don't think anyone at all is gonna promote your product for free. And guys, if you send out a watch to an influencer without paying them, they don't even care. They want money. This is all based on money. So when you're doing the startup thing, like I call it, where you're planning everything, 10% to charity, whatever your sort of plan is, but it's a big plan, you got it all figured out, that usually it doesn't work, because you gotta just stick to the original traditional dropshipping method, which is learn the skill of Facebook ad. Guys, you're not gonna get out of this cheap by just by putting $5 in and it didn't work, so now I'm not going to run ads. I'm just going to grow organically and get an offer of like a charity thing or whatever. That doesn't work. It's just how it is. Number 2 is why you're not like this guy, the world's best dropshipper. What is the second reason? You don't know how to convert stuff. You don't know how to write converting stuff. This goes for your ad copy really quick. By the way, in your ad copy, guys, put in like free shipping worldwide, whatever, put in something like that, and then you can put in like get yours here and then a link, and there you got your link or whatever. And then just put in like just put in 2 sentences. You could just make it as simple as like upgrade your bathroom today. Start here, link, free worldwide shipping. That is actually a decent ad copy. And a lot of you guys might think that is bullshit, but no, keeping it simple is the easiest way to do it. My girlfriend made that one, by the way. Keeping it simple is the easiest way to do it when it comes to your ad copies and stuff like that. And you guys don't know, if you don't know how to write a high converting ad copy, you most likely don't know how to write high converting descriptions. And this is key, guys. A boring description from AliExpress, or you just trying to make your first one, it won't work at all. So a good description, like I always say, 1 paragraph, 2 paragraphs, 1 picture, 1 paragraph. That's the least amount. But a good idea would be like 2 paragraphs and a picture, and then another paragraph, and then another picture, and then another paragraph. You might consider putting in like the shipping time in the end of the description, but start with introducing it, just telling what this product is in the first paragraph. The second paragraph is you show why it's unique. Then you put in a picture. After a picture, you put in all the features, like points like this: never overheating, portable, weird, like, you know, points like that. You got to put that in, and then you just improvise from that there, honestly. And that is basically it. You just need to learn how to basically copywriting, like selling in words. When you're typing on your keyboard like this, you got to learn how to do this and make ka-ching out of it. You got to figure that stuff out, and that is simple. Just look at one of my description videos and you probably figure it out. And that is basically, you know, why you probably are failing a little bit, because writing high converting stuff is so important. So number 3, you don't know anything about advertising. By the way, guys, what I think is the most important one out of all these 3 ones, if I'm going to put it in order, I would say number 1 is honestly the great idea. The startup, that one is horrible. Never do that. Second one is not knowing how to run your ads, and the third one is not knowing how to convert with the text, you know, copywriting. But yeah, the third one, you don't know how to run your ads. You stack interest, for example. I should say you stack interest. You make one ad set with 5 interest, and you just run it for $10 a day for 2 days, and you even schedule an end date. You don't even start running your ads until you know at least a little bit. But I recommend, honestly, if you don't know what you're doing, it's better to save money and pay someone, honestly, for this help, because this is advanced. For me, it's really easy, but that's because I managed to make it work once. So now it's sort of like an autopilot game, and I could just be running my lookalikes for testing anyways. So you guys want to figure that out, how to run your ads. If you spend money on ads without a strategy at all, you're just going to get demotivated and stuff like that. And guys, we don't want to lose the motivation just because we suck at making ads. And you guys might not even have to pay anyone, because I know a guy. It's the Ecom Buzz, the channel you're watching right now. I'm actually putting out real content for you guys. I'm going to show you one guy. I'm going to prove the results of one guy on Instagram that messaged me. He's been going insane just by watching my video, and I lost the picture. I'm going to see if I can find a screenshot here, whatever. This guy says, you're really changing my life. I'm not going to waste time on that, but it's $8,000. Like, he's not even in my coaching program. He's not paying me anything. He's just watching the YouTube videos I make on scaling, and he's managed to hit 8,000 his first month. Maybe that's nothing to live off, but dude, that's an insane beginning for what you can make on dropshipping just by watching YouTube videos without paying me or paying the other gurus out there anything. Just by looking at my YouTube channel. I'm not here to talk good about myself, or obviously I am, but what I'm just saying is, like, guys, I for sure recommend getting a mentor, 100%. I'm just showing you guys like what I provide in the channel. You can make it, or at least get on the right path really easily and start making some profit and a little bit of a cash flow just by following the videos. So yeah, number 3 was basically, I just wanted to show, like, congrats to this guy. He's doing insane. Like, he's really applying the strategies that I'm teaching here. Like the only 1% of you guys did, and after this video is probably gonna be 5%, but most of you probably won't even do it. But all the stuff is free on this channel, guys, and like, for real, everything is laid down, how to test products, how to scale them. It's not a course, it's all free, so there is actually no excuses, because you could just I'm not saying you gotta learn everything from me, but right now you're watching me, so if you don't know how to do stuff, just look at how I find winning products. I have a video on that, on the descriptions, testing a product, scaling a product, lookalikes, everything. It's all out there. And if I don't have it, there's someone else that has it. So don't go or do the original dropshipping. Don't try to, you know, brand yourself from the first moment. Don't do one product stores. You're not a brand. Right now you're just testing. You're sort of just like getting your feet wet and seeing how this is, what works. And that's what you got to do, guys. Just see what works, test different things, and know how you're actually running your ads. You're just not running anything random. And that is the 3 tips, guys. Most important one is the advertising part and the perfect idea, or the startup where you have this amazing principle that's obviously not going to work. So make sure you guys subscribe now. I'll talk to you guys later. And guys, I really would appreciate if you guys could drop any video ideas down below. If you guys have any suggestions on videos, please drop it here, because I really want to give you guys exactly what you want. And right now I feel like I'm not really providing exactly what you want. I'm just trying to say what I would love to learn 2 years ago. because I don't know what you guys want right now. So if you guys are wondering about that, descriptions, whatever, tell me, because right now I'm just improvising towards what I think you guys should learn, and then you guys, could ask questions or whatever, and I might turn it into a video. So I'll talk to you guys later, and have a good one.